Hello friends, my name is Mukesh. Welcome to yet another video where we will analyze both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now friends, I am preparing this video as of market close on Thursday 21st of September 2023. Friends, first let's take a look at the Nifty chart. Now what I have on my screen here is the Nifty chart plotted on a daily time frame. I normally use the daily charts to analyze the possible movements that could happen in the index. So let's take a look at the Nifty chart straight away. Now, friends, in today's session, Nifty has again closed almost at the lows of the day. Now it has decisively broken 20,000. The low was 19,709 and we've closed at 19,742. The high for the day 19,848. So we've corrected more than 140 points from the highs of the day. This is intraday. Now friends, if you see the chart over here, now we have actually broken an important trend line in yesterday's session. We actually gapped down and we could not manage to recover those losses throughout the day. And finally, yesterday also we closed at the lows of the day. Now see, once this trend line was broken, we actually have corrected quite a bit. Now see the run up that has happened in the market since 1st of September. From 19,200 odd levels, we went up all the way up to 20,200. And this run up happened without any correction. So now finally a correction has set in, and from the highs, which was on 15th of September, we clocked an all-time high of 20,222. We have corrected all the way down to 19,709. So this is a 500-point correction in a span of just about 4 trading sessions. Now see friends, this index is at 20,000 odd levels, and even a 1% movement in the index now is about 200 odd points. So in percentage terms, though this move does not appear to be really big, if you take in absolute points, then the move actually looks to be big. Now friends, after this massive run up, I was always suggesting that you should consider hedging your long positions very tightly, and this is the reason I was suggesting this. I was not short on this market, but I did suggest that you should have very tight hedges for your long positions. Now friends, in the last 2 trading sessions, including today's session, we've had a very vicious and a very swift correction. So the cuts on the index have been really deep and really nasty. Now, friends, we are at a crucial support over here at around 19,740 odd. If you see in the recent past over here, you can just see that the market has found support around these levels in the recent past. Now, the downward momentum currently is very strong. So, can we drift lower from here? Well, there is always a chance, considering how strong this downward momentum currently is. Now, how lower will we go from here? No one really knows. The next support for the index comes in around 19,600 odd levels, which is roughly some 150 points from here. Now, we have to take it day by day, and as the price action unfolds, we have to then analyze and react and make a strategy accordingly. For the moment, the bears have it. The momentum is very strong on the downside. Uh, how do you trade this market currently at the index level? See, friends, though the index has corrected, I still don't think that the market is weak. See, in percentage terms, we've given away just around 2.5% points from the all-time highs. Now, I personally am not in favor of shorting the market at these levels. Actually, from the highs, now we've already corrected some 500 odd points. And though I think we could go still lower, but I don't think the risk reward is favorable for a short position right now. So what do we do in terms of a trading position? See, I personally think there are just two options. One is you can stay long and with a hedge. For a hedge, I think you should consider buying a put or selling a call. That is number one. Number two, you can consider selling straddles. See, the premiums right now are quite juicy. So with such hefty premiums, you could consider option writing. Now, mind you, all trading strategies come with a risk, and you have to be aware of what the risk is in your particular trading strategy, and you have to manage that risk properly. Option selling you should do only when you can actually manage the movement that can happen in the market given the strike price that you have sold and the premium that you have received for selling those options. So you should consider buying some out of the money options as a hedge in case you are going for a straddle. And if you're long on the futures, I think you definitely should uh, hedge your position with a long put or maybe selling a call, though I personally prefer buying a put to hedge the long position. Now, there are some people who probably think that shorting the market is a good idea at these levels. Friends, I personally don't think there's a great risk reward in shorting the market when we've corrected so sharply in just three trading sessions. So this is just my personal view. Maybe I could be wrong, but I personally don't think there is a very strong case to short this market at these levels. And remember that in the coming week we have the monthly expiry, so we are going to get some extra dose of volatility. And given the fact that the market has corrected so viciously in the last three trading sessions, I don't think we are going much deeper very soon. Now friends, this is for Nifty. Now let's take a look at the Bank Nifty chart. Now friends, Bank Nifty also, just like Nifty, has also broken this trend line. So the uptrend has been clearly violated. Now, from the highs of around 46,300, now we have dipped all the way down to 44,600. Now, I just want to draw your attention to this 46,300 odd level. Look at the number of times the market has been reversing from this particular level. Here it happened, again over here, again over here, again over here. So roughly 46,000 to 46,300 has been the resistance zone for bulls, and they've not been able to conquer this level. Now, see, in hindsight, friends, this inability to scale 46,300 on Friday, 15th of September, this actually was the first sign of weakness. Now, with the benefit of hindsight, I can say this, though in in real time, it's not really possible to make such a prediction. Now, friends, given the fact that we reversed from 46,300 odd levels over here, and again over here, well, there was a very strong case that the market is probably reversing. Now, the all-time high for Bank Nifty, if you see, which we made over here, now we've actually not crossed this all-time high, though Nifty made a new lifetime high in this particular up move. Now, friends, see, Bank Nifty has broken this particular trend line over here. Bank Nifty has also broken this particular trend line in today's session. So, Bank Nifty, just like Nifty, is now having a strong downward momentum. Now, how do you trade Bank Nifty? See, I think just like Nifty, for Bank Nifty also, I think I would suggest two trading strategies. One is you can have a long position with a hedge, and the hedge you can have either in a long put, or maybe you can short a call. And secondly, you can consider selling straddles by hedging those sell positions with buying out of the money options. Now, friends, I think this market has a strong downward momentum and some downside is possible even now. However, given the vicious correction that has happened in Bank Nifty as well in the past three trading sessions, I don't think we will have a very deep cut immediately. Now, friends, when we are trading futures and options, we have to be very mindful of the leverage that we are using, and the risk management has to be impeccable. The first and most important step in risk management is knowing what position size you need to trade. Now, see, if you're trading futures, you should not really be coming into a position where, in case the market actually falls, you have to liquidate your long position. So that is the right quantity that you should trade. You should not be in such a position where you need to forcefully liquidate your loss making position because you are unable to pay your mark to market margins. So friends, that is it from me for today. I wish you good luck in your trading. Until next time, cheers. Do like my video, do subscribe to my channel. I intend to post at least one market video each day after the close of market. Thank you very much. Good luck in your trading.